Does it say record on the screen?
Yep.
I'm tempted to do it.
So just do
Nah, I'm even sure.
of course, and come back here.
What are you trying to do now?
I think just the first one, so should just come back. What did we stop first time? I think at that.
So it just makes it less sensitive, right? I mean, like,
I don't know.
don't just stop every time you see a new pole or whatever.
Everything's behind the hybrid right now, so I can't see Jack.
Oh, how far you over there?
Sorry.
No, I'll zoom out a bit.
I'll zoom out later.
There you go. What?
It's doing well.
Oh no. Oh good. Passing.
The weather on the same.
That's what the fuck. Hey,
You're
what is the channel
unrecorded.
first? Hmm?
You're recorded.
No, I'm saying the other one's interfering. The sound of people using their channel.
I know. Just telling you you're getting recorded.
That's our channel.
Our channel. Get your own. Keep rolling.
Oh my god, this is like perfect.
Hmm?
This is like perfect.
Well, one pull down, but that's no big deal.
Hmm?
I don't know how the first time screwed up.
I don't know, lack of sleep. It's even more lack
crap.
of sleep right now. Oh, we ran down a few cones. I think the course is off.
Is it off again? Yeah, it's good. What on?
Yeah, it's good.
What is in my eyes?
No, it ran over a few cones.
Lack of sleep. Oh, it's perfect.
Wow.
Yay!
We need to come
Bye,
back.
car. Goodbye. We'll see what happens now.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
We need sock. Alright.
It's Suburban going in there with it.
I
I'm
think
not sure it's
that's the end of it.
Is it? Yeah, but they killed it.
Oh,